Good morning, everybody. What's going on? Wagwan. So, may I try to attempt to make a vlog today. Let's see how it go. We don't have not much to do. Just regularly, I would say, stay at home thing since the whole COVID thing, especially. So, yeah, come along with me today. Yeah, we'll probably go on the road, maybe not. We'll see about that. But anyway, yes, let's get the day started. Let's get the day started. Say hi. Good morning.
Good morning.
So yeah, like 10 minutes it take me to do both rooms. Sometimes it can take me less than that because I sweep, that's why it takes so long. So basically I'm just do that, clean the crib and stuff like that. I'll show you guys. So full clean, put clean the boat milk and fold up and stuff like that, do a little sweep, and that's about it. I have some wipes, so I need to refill into the baby stuff up there. Thank you, Leo. As morning light you want to play. I've done laundry right here, sheet. Today mostly do sheets, but I do have some baby laundry to deal with today again. Now I'm going to the bathroom yet. Before anything else, I gotta make Leo some breakfast and make Jace. And him just drink breast milk, but I've been giving him orange juice like every other day or every 2 days in the morning. Hi Papa, you're so good today. Yes, yes you are. Yes, you're so awesome. Yes, you're so awesome. Yes, I know, Mr. Attention, I know. Yes, so I'll quickly get Leo something to eat now and get him something to eat. Well, him did drink not too long ago, so he just want to go up in the hand and then deal with the kitchen afterwards.
I was hoping you, Mom. Alright.
So Leo already get his breakfast, so it's time for this little guy's breakfast, and then clean him up and put him down for a nap, and then I am going to clean up the kitchen and make my drink, my cucumber drink, probably dark in here, so my cucumber drink, and yeah, probably put the clothes them in the laundry after that, and then do some reading and stuff with Leo. Yeah, let's see so far. Oh, that go. Bless you. But let's give this little one his porridge. I make it. It's oats porridge, and then I blended the oats porridge so it's smoother for him. Right? You gonna try oats porridge? Yes. If he doesn't, then I have to give him breast milk. This look a booger face. I have to go get his nap now. Right? Alright. All clean. Yes, and tummy all full. Y'all get your nap now? Yes. Smile. Give me a smile. Give me a smile. Yes. Yes. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna make him get a nap now and then I'm gonna start cleaning up the kitchen. So let's get on this. Alright. Okay, so I finish with the kitchen, so I decide to come water the plants, water the crops. So that's what I'm doing right here. All the crops right there. Can see that good. You have some cabbage, lettuce, mint, scallion, carrots, garlic, onion, tomato. Yep. And over this side, all the way over that side over there, we have some potato, just regular Irish potato. So I'm just water them right now before the sun gets hot and dry it out. I'm going to show you guys. We have some tomato come up into the pot right here. So see the tomato here. May I give this tomato some water, but you see the tomatoes them on it right there, and you see some more up here. So yes, and this is right here just some mint. Like it always come back up every year, you know, in the winter time, the snow and everything, you know, I think you would die, but it always come back up in a summertime. So yeah, I'm water the tomato. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so proud. You know, we move on to the crops them at the front, and this is how they're looking. Into those two black containers down there, a tomato, and that's red one, a lemon. I think it's, yeah, lemon, not lime. And this right here, my attempt, I'm try to make burst the seed, and that's what do you call it again? Jamaican apple. Yeah, Jamaican apple, the red one. And this is mango. May actually get to burst it. But I don't know if the mango them and the apple, because those are really big root trees. I don't know if it's gonna work out, but we decided to take up the challenge, and that's what I did. Then we have over here the pepper. The pepper go on good enough. The pepper go on with things. It has pepper on it. I don't know if you can see there. So one there. So one there. See one more there. So we just give them water. And we have tomato as well. This tomato we plant from seed, and see it have tomatoes on it there. See there. See. So one more there. Yep. And we have some I forgot what they call this. It's a herb we put into when you cook with, and mint. We have more mint around here as well. Yeah, these mints are pretty old because it have the blossom on it. And probably cut some and dry them and put them down. We have basil on the other side, if I say that right. So yes, we're little gardener come along good, man, front and back. We're coming along good, and we're excited about it. Yeah. Alright, later. But this little guy went down for like what, 10 minutes or 15 minutes? 15 minutes, and that was about it. I need to get him down a little bit longer, so I'm gonna try to tire him out and then put him down a little bit longer, and then me and Leah go do some learning activities. But before that, I need to, because I still have to break my fast, and I need to make my drink, so I can break my fast and drink my drink before me eating anything else first. Right, so I want to go to that. I have the water them over here, water bottles them over here, when we need for refill, put back into the fridge. So basically what we do with these bottles is that we have the big water container around there. I don't know if you can see that. Basically may fill them up. These are 5 bottles, and in order for me to track how much water may I drink right now, because me try to go up to 1 gallon a day. So what I do is I portion them out into these small bottles. So I think 7 bottles or 8 bottles equal up to 1 gallon, but so far I'm drinking 4, sometimes 5 a day, and sometimes 6. Yesterday I drink a lot, even into the night, so that's a plus. And it's also, it helps with the milk supply as well, so I may have to keep up that as well. Especially it's so hot now, you know, into Calgary. It's so hot right now. So yeah, let's see if I can get him back down for a little bit longer and then make the drink and kind of finish up most of the things there. Basically what we're doing now is I'm studying and he's doing some studying as well, some work basically. So I'm here doing some scriptures, Bible scripture and stuff like that. I try to do it in the morning time, either before the baby wake up, and that's one of the things that I really want to work on, to do it in the morning time and try to work out in the morning time, because a little bit after this I have to go and work out, then I have to prepare dinner, and pretty much that's about it for today. Yeah, I think you're supposed to draw the circles around the letter I. All the letter I's that you see, draw the circle around it, okay? Okay, let me get back to this. Alright, later. I said dinner soon finish. Okay, so I'm in the kitchen looking after dinner now. So, pretty much almost finished. Because we have the veggie on and we already put the chicken in. Let me show you the chicken. So that's the chicken there. And we have the veggie over here. A lot of greens. I'm going to put on a small pot of rice. I want more carrot to put in this because it just seems like it needs 1 more carrot. And then put on the rice. And then that's about it. So yes, I guess that's it, people. It's at the end of the vlog. Cause yeah, I'm just gonna deal with cooking. It's about after 4 now. I'm gonna finish cook, then I'm gonna work out and relax for a little bit, take a shower, and then my house is and that's it.